Greetings to all. This video shows a two-tone knit with incredibly lovely horizontal embossed paths. The first and second rows are knitted in light color, and the third and fourth rows are knitted in dark color. There are 2 loops and 4 rows in the scheme. We start from the right side. Row 1 is on the right side. We will knit with a light color. After the edge stitch, knit all loops from the beginning to the end of the row. Row 2 is on the wrong side. We will knit with a light color. After the edge loop, the repeat pattern is: pull up a long loop between the second and third stitch, then knit 2. Again. Pull up a long loop, knit 2. Keep knitting in this manner till the end of the row. Row 3 is on the right side. We will knit with a dark color. After the edge loop, we work with the loops in groups of 3. Slip the second loop to the right hook, then knit 2 loops together through the back. Again, slip 1, and knit 2 together. Keep knitting in this manner till the end of the row. Row 4 is on the wrong side. We will knit with a dark color. After the edge loop, outside of the repeat pattern purl 1. We will work with the loops in pairs where the distance between stitches is wide. Purl the first loop without dropping it, and purl 2 loops together. Again, purl 1, and purl 2 together. Purl 1, and purl 2 together. Keep knitting in this manner till the end of the row. At the end of the row, outside of the repeat pattern purl 1. I have presented you with a unique two-tone knit with gentle relief and texture and a wide range of applications. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate you all being here. If you enjoy the video, please click the like button. Subscribe to the channel and notifications to see every one of my videos. I wish you inspiration. Knit joyfully and with affection. See you soon.